Hello, welcome to VÖLKEL. Did you know that high-quality darts typically use the thread type BA2 from England to connect the barrel to the shaft? Darts are often customized by players to meet their own needs, or they are optimized to the competition requirements. Different shafts are also combined or exchanged with different barrels. This leads to significant stress on the threads. For threads on darts, we offer BA2 taps. These cut the thread in the barrel almost down to the bottom. The standard version is made of HSSE high-speed steel, while the more cutting-stable HSSE-PM version is suitable for difficult-to-cut tungsten alloys. Our BA2 taps are the perfect choice when it comes to darts, not only for repairing worn or damaged threads, but also for cutting threads on new-made barrels. Darts is a precision sport that requires precision tools. If you are interested in more, follow us.